Florida and New Orleans, January 21st, 2025.
We just said we're going to be so sad when it stops.
In Florida, Pensacola awoke to subfreezing temperatures for the second day in a row as a significant winter storm began to roll into the area on Tuesday, with the potential to cause extensive damage to property and public infrastructure. The National Weather Service placed Northwest Florida under a winter storm warning until 6 a.m. Wednesday, reporting that snow accumulations would total between 2 and 4 inches, with up to 6 inches of snow possible in southern portions of the warning area. That forecast was later updated to 4 to 6 inches. An extreme cold warning is also in effect for the area.
I didn't look at
The Barrancas Avenue Bayou Chico Bridge was closed in both directions at 4:58 p.m. because of ice, according to the Florida Department of Transportation. Traffic chaos were piling up in Escambia and Santa Rosa counties Tuesday afternoon, particularly on Interstate 10. Another chaos was reported at about 3:43 p.m. on I-10 eastbound in Santa Rosa County, at a Milton exit at mile marker 26 at Garcon Point Road. The Florida Highway Patrol reported the chaos had created a roadblock on the exit ramp.
I don't care if y'all walk by the pool. Okay. Be careful.
As snow continues to fall in Escambia County, all roads and bridges are quickly becoming impassable. Residents are strongly urged to remain off the roadways until further notice as snow accumulates. Emergency vehicles should be the only vehicles on the roadways and bridges until further notice. Escambia County Emergency Management urges all residents who have not sought shelter to do so immediately.
But no, it's like real.
According to the National Weather Service in Mobile, snow continues to taper off north of the I-10 corridor, with light snow possibly continuing until sunset. Moderate to heavy snow in bands is expected to continue into the evening hours. Pensacola has likely broken the state's 130-year-old record for total snowfall. The National Weather Service doesn't have an official measurement of the snowfall amounts in Pensacola yet, but Weather Service meteorologist David Eversole said they've gotten unofficial reports of as much as 5.5 inches from Escambia County. The all-time official record of snowfall in the Pensacola area is 3 inches, set in 1895. Meanwhile, in Louisiana, a major winter storm brought blizzard conditions on Tuesday, turning New Orleans into a snow town. The record-breaking snowstorm blanketed palm trees in fresh flakes and halted the normally bustling Big Easy. The powerful and deadly winter storm swept across the South on Tuesday, dumping heavy snow across areas that rarely see flakes or bitterly cold conditions. The storm prompted the National Weather Service to issue the first-ever blizzard warning for southwest Louisiana and southeast Texas.
The Pensacola snowpocalypse continues.
New Orleans shattered its one-day snow total record by noon, when Louis Armstrong New Orleans International Airport recorded 4 inches of snow. The new record breaks the December 31, 1963 record of 2.7 inches. And the snow was still coming down Tuesday afternoon. As the winter storm arrived, weather correspondent captured the time-lapse above of the first flakes falling in New Orleans. By morning, a layer of powder covered Canal Street and the central business district, turning New Orleans into a snow panorama. North of downtown and Mid-City, 9.5 inches of snow was recorded, according to the National Weather Service.
That's a lot.
Louisiana Department of Transportation crews were attempting to keep up with the rare snowstorm unfolding across the Bayou State. The scene along Lake Pontchartrain in New Orleans on Tuesday was surreal. Palm trees swayed in the wind amid falling snow and near-blizzard conditions, with wind gusts exceeding 45 miles per hour. The Department of Transportation shut down the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway Bridge early in the afternoon because of the weather. Parts of Interstate 10 remain closed due to the snowstorm. Louisiana DOT cameras showed snow blanketing the major interstate near New Orleans. Mayor-President of Baton said, "It could take more than 48 hours for some roads to reopen. A lot of folks, of course, are not accustomed to driving in these conditions, and they're running off the road. And we're having to send, personnel out to get them to pick them up," the mayor said.
I gotta put on my snow boots.